Hello, welcome to my YouTube page. Follow and support me. Today we are going to learn very simple basic yoga move to increasing our sleeping level. Okay, that's the main thing. Before sleep, you just try to do this basic yoga move. Number 1, child pose. Sit in Vajrasana position. And slowly bend forward like this. When you bend forward, try to give a pressure on your hand and rub on the floor, okay? Or otherwise rub on your mat or bed sheet everywhere. Give some pressure on your hand, okay? It's reducing your stress level and also increasing your sleeping level. When you bend forward, breathe out, come back, breathe in, okay? Next move, second move, keep your palm under your knee like this. Very effective move. And slowly lift your back. When you are lifting your back, it gives more pressure on your palm. This is also increasing your sleeping capacity. You can also do this same move from your bed also. Do it again and again. 1, 2, 3 times or 5 times. Repeat it, okay? Just give a pressure on your center of your palm. It's reducing your stress level and also give a better sleep for you. Before sleep, just try this 6 move daily, okay? Third move, cow and cat pose. Breathe in, breathe out. Again, breathe in cat pose, breathe in, cow pose, breathe out, okay? After finishing your office work, you have small back pain like that. When you are doing this move, it's reducing your back pain and increasing your sleeping capacity. So try this move again and again. Fourth move, very simple move. Just lift your leg straight upward. Okay, before that you need to do twist your hip on both sides. Slowly do it again and again, okay? Sapta Matsyendrasana. That this asana name Sapta Matsyendrasana. Okay, finally with Viparita Karani. Before doing Viparita Karani, you just give a small roll like that. Then lift your leg like this. Try to keep some bed sheet or anything under your back pain, okay? Keep under your back. It's feel more comfort for you. Viparita Karani. Very simple basic move. Viparita Karani. Do it for 3 to 5 times. These are the basic move. You want to do it again and again. You just do it from your bed itself also. Just take your, when you are going to bed, just slowly twist your body. That means Sapta Matsyendrasana. After that, try to do this Viparita Karani. Then cat and cow pose, Matsyendrasana and Vithilasana. Then finally with Savasana. Just before Savasana, you try to lift your leg slightly. Try to lift your leg, okay? Yes, like this. Don't need to give too much stress. Just 3 to 5 times slowly, okay? This reduces your back pain and strengthening your hip and increasing your sleeping capacity. yes, relax. Then finally with Savasana, Sandhyasana. Yeah, these are the final move. Just relax your whole body. Okay, you feel that your body are like floating. There is no stretch or no nothing stress you feel in your body. Okay, there is no stress feel in your body. Feel relaxed and take a deep sleep. Concentrate on your breath and take a deep sleep. Relax. Thank you so much. Thank you. Do yoga, stay healthy, and please follow and support me and share this video. I will improve my level day by day. Okay, anyway, thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you very much. See you in next video.